Hey guys, I'm Wing Huan here. Thank you for joining this course. So you want to have a better income, more freedom in life? This course is definitely able to help you. To start with, just to sort of show you that whatever that I'm showing you over here is working. So I have been using this method about 6 months back, and I started to earn about $300 on March and about $800 on April, and more to come on May, hopefully. So just a disclaimer, this is not a typical results. You may earn 50, hundreds or $500 on YouTube. So please be careful and use on your own risk. First, to start with, please put this recorder and this microphone away, as you do not need any of this at all. So the method that I'm going to share with you is a method that you can earn money by producing video on YouTube without doing any recording or showing your face or even doing a voice recorder. Nothing at all. And second, please make sure you go through every single lecture in this course so that you will not miss any important notes, as a slight mistake will cause your YouTube channel being banned. And as long as you follow everything in this course, you will be fine. So make sure that you do not skip any of the lecture in this course here. Now let's talk about the plan of earning money on YouTube without doing any recording. So the first thing that you have to know is the video copyright. As you can see over here, this type of motivational videos are having hundreds over thousands or even millions of views. Let's look at one of the channel. Looking at Social Blades, Mulligan brothers are earning 20 over thousands every single month. So we are going to choose a photos, videos, and also audios that are 100% copyright free. Once you have everything, the photos, videos, and audios, we will need to just upload everything on YouTube and everything will run on by itself. So I would say you can do all this within 30 to 45 minutes. Now watch the next lecture and we are going to get started. So in this video, we are going to learn all the important copyrights. In general, we only need to know 4 types of copyrights. Do not worry, they are very straightforward and very easy to understand. Please make sure that you go through every single second in this video, as it is super important for you to understand copyright so that you won't face any issues when uploading your video on YouTube. The first one is attributions. Under this copyright, we may copy, distribute, display, and perform the work, derivative works, and remakes based on it only if we give the author or licensor the credits in the manner specified by this. So for example, for videos, photos, or audios that is on this category, you will see similar statement like this. You are free to use this video and monetize your video, but you must include the following in your video descriptions. We Rock by Audio Online is licensed under a Creative Commons Attributions license. I mean, you can still use this video and get monetized by YouTube, but on your video descriptions, you have to include these statements as it is requested by the owner. And we will try to minimize the use of this type of video as much as possible. Share alike. Licensee may distribute derivative works only under a license identical to the license that governs the original work. We will not use any of the video under this category. Non-commercial. We can copy, distribute, display, and use this video for any purpose other than commercially unless you get permission from the original creator first. Zero or public domains. Videos, audios, and photos that is under this copyright you can copy, modify, distribute, and perform the work even for commercial purposes, all without asking permission. And this is what we want to use all the time.